The 2022 Punjab Legislative Assembly elections will be held in Punjab on 14 February 2022 to elect the 117 members of the 16th Assembly of the Punjab Legislative Assembly. The votes will be counted and the results will be declared on 10 March 2022. The tenure of Punjab Legislative Assembly is scheduled to end on 23 March 2022. The previous assembly elections were held in February 2017. After the election, Indian National Congress formed the state government, with Amrinder Singh becoming chief minister. In the 2017 Punjab Legislative Assembly election, the Indian National Congress won 77 out of 117 total seats. This landslide victory pushed the ruling alliance between Shiromani Akali Dal and the Bharatiya Janata Party to third place with only 18 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party came in second, winning 20 seats and forming the official opposition in Punjab. The former leader of the opposition, Sukhpal Singh Khaira, joined Congress on 2 June 2021 along with Badur MLA Permal Singh Dhalla and More MLA Jagdev Singh Kamalu. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.